So let's get this wax out of your ear. It runs in the family, doesn't it?
Yeah, I haven't done my arm's birthday still. And I'm up there. Alright.
Yeah. You mentioned before it's glutinous, so you should become an audiologist because it's exactly that. And it's very difficult to vacuum, so I'm going to use a scoop. I think your dad's ear was the same actually, so you've inherited this.
Probably Asian waxes.
Yeah.
You mentioned last time the Asian wax is different, isn't it?
It's like this, exactly like this. It's like clay. Horrible stuff. So I might have to use some drops just to change the consistency. If it does get uncomfortable at any stage, do let me know. Okay?
No, this is fine at the moment.
Right up to your eardrum. Sorry, I'm a bit quiet. I was just focusing. It's just sticking up butter. I know that is just not going to vacuum the deep inside, so I'm going to just put some drops in now. So I've got the outer half out, just the latter half. I'll suck some of the oil out because it's near the camera lens. Of course you can, yeah. Good. What the oil's done is binding the wax together with it, so it's easy to vacuum. Got a large plug just at the entrance. I'm just going to wriggle it out.
Yeah.
Block my tube. I'm just going to block it. How are you feeling?
Yeah, fine. It's good. It's a weird sensation, but other than that,
It's quite strange, that noise.
yeah.
Yeah. All the blockage is out. You just got some around the edge. I'm just going to see if I can get some of that out for you.
Oh, okay.
has got a bit of the dead skin at the top of the ear canal. I'm going to leave that. I've got most of it out. With the dead skin, it will peel, and if you've got dead skin on your finger and you peel it, it's a bit uncomfortable, and it can make a very loud noise when you vacuum it. But it's not blocking your ear at all. Your eardrum is nice and healthy. It might be slightly retracted, actually, having said that. We'll do another test just to make sure there's no negative pressure behind there.
Okay.
Yeah, all done. You should be feeling tons better.
Yeah, it just feels a bit like a bit weird because of the thing, but
Yeah, no, that's great to hear. So I'm going to turn you